National Sports University NSU Imphal, Manipur organized a one-day workshop on the topic Doping in Sports, Ethics and Regulations at NSU Hall, Kumalampak Sports Complex, Imphal. The function was graced by Vice Chancellor officiating of NSU Dr. Shyamsundar Rath, Registrar Dr. L. Dibamani, Commander of CRPF Group Center Langjing and Padma Shri N. Kunjarani, Director of NDTL New Delhi and CEO Dr. P.L. Sahu, Head of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation RIMS Professor A.K. Joy and Senior Resident in the Department of Sports Medicine RIMS Dr. L. Subhashini as Presidium members. In his speech, Devamani emphasized that the workshop aims to create awareness among the general public and sports persons about the adverse effects of taking performance enhancing drugs PEDs in the long run, although these kinds of drugs improve sports performances for a short period. He further announced plans to organize similar workshops in a grand manner with the involvement of coaches, sports associations and representatives of sports organizations in the future.
Doping haraga akoina khalnari se sanabada akoigi performance hanganaba magi akoina makal gi hidak sinaraga performance hangalanbado madu sinaba drug singdo maduna akoina doping ana khalnari se hariba doping ase sinaba je akoi tasengbadi akoigi niyom gi wangmadani niyom lalanbani amaga competition tawna je akoina free and fair rimta support out basu medical support pharmacological support out bida magi will power magi oski strength speed mayam dona mahunda develop to holaga sanagadabani adubo hojiki matamda akoina doping adana akoigi makal gi drug sinaraga akoina performance matam khari gon hengel halaga sanabagi sanabi ma ko hoji tholei hariba mase yamna matam yamna chobi shomo riba podamani masigi matang awareness pi da ngasi gi workshop session mani